Finally guys, nahanap ko ng perfect magnet keyboard para sa akin iPad Pro 12.9. So sobrang daming brands na pwede ko pagpilian, ito ang napili ko. From GOOJODOQ, which means good job, do quality. Floating keyboard case with trackpad. Buksan natin. Uy, premium ah. And magandang swivel ah. Hindi siya sobrang lambot, pumipigil. Meron siyang user guide inside. And a Type-C charging cable. To use this thing, it's very simple. All you need to do is just snap it here. Parang magnet. And yun na. Andito ang kanyang on and off switch. Click. May pa RGB pa. Hold na natin ang function B ng 3 seconds para mag-turn on ang kanyang Bluetooth. So makita natin dito wireless keyboard. Pindutin. Pair. Ayan na. Connected. Na makita mo meron ka na biglang mouse dito sa galing sa yung trackpad, which is pretty nice. Ang dami ng commands na pwede nyo pag-aralan. Definitely, it's very helpful. Dahil meron sa 72 magnets na separable sa loob, it has tight absorption. Itong keyboard to, there's quite a number of models. iPad 10 Gen, iPad Air, iPad Pro 11, iPad Pro 12.9, and even iPad Mini. Ang pinakagusto ko dito sa kanya is ang tight ng kanyang hawakan dito, no? So definitely, hindi siya basta-basta mababali. And this one can tilt up to 78 degrees. One of my favorites dito sa kanya is kanyang backlit dahil meron siyang 7 colors na backlit dito. You can use it to type. Definitely, just need to get a hang of it. After that, well, smooth na siya. Simple. You can use it for work, watch TV. You can also panbasa ng libro, and of course, it's pretty easy to carry around. So based on my testing dito, this one charged within 2 hours, and when you're using it with backlight, it can last for 5 hours, and kung naka-off ang backlight, you can use it for as long as 300 hours. Standby time is 120 days. You can purchase this sa Shopee at around mga 3,000 pesos. Interested to buy the GOOJODOQ Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro? Link on the description.